All right, let's make spicy corn potato tacos. These are meatless tacos with a little bit of cilantro sauce. These tacos are very easy to make. Here I'm going to chop up a russet potato. You can use any potato you like, actually. Take any vegetable that you like. I'm going to take red bell pepper. I could have used yellow or orange. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to put my potatoes in a Dutch oven skillet, and I'm going to coat them with olive oil, put a generous amount of salt. Here I'm going to have Creole seasoning that I'm putting on my potatoes, and my favorite seasoning there is garlic and onion. Here I'm going to put some garlic powder on these potatoes. Remember, guys, season it the way you like. No judgment here. Here I want to take a little bit of smoky paprika because it's going to bring up the flavor in those potatoes. I threw in my veggies there so I can saute it. I know there are a million ways that we can get this corn off the cob, but this is the way that I've been taught by my grandmother and my mom. So no judgment there. Here I'm going to take a little bit of heat and I'm going to add it to the corn, and also I'm going to give them their own skillet so they can kind of cook down like I like. I cannot lie. Fresh corn is master to corn out of the can, but if the can is all you can get, be my guest. So here I'm going to actually just be very light-handed with my seasoning because I've really seasoned my potatoes quite a bit. To calm the heat down, because these were pretty spicy, I put in about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I made a homemade cilantro sauce, and there you have it. We have some spicy corn potato tacos. Hope you enjoy.